PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from Renpho. And this is Renpho's Foot Massager. Kind of something unique that came in recently. And we're going to pop it open and see what it looks like, see what it comes with. And then you'll go to the website at plcnetwork.net and see what we have to say about it later on. But what this is a multi-functioning foot massager. It is a kneading Shiatsu heat mode enabled air compression foot massager. So if you've seen any stories in the past talking about companies like Body Friend, for example, which we absolutely love, they have some amazing chairs. It's not nearly as cool as that, unfortunately, but it has some of those kind of familiar features, you know, because those chairs have airbags and kneading and all that crazy stuff. This one sort of has it, you know, kind of, at least my assumption is, we haven't used this yet, but my assumption is that it probably only sort of plays around with some of these functions, more like a tease compared to that, but hopefully still effective enough to stick your foot in this thing and just say, ah. But you have 3 knead intensity options, 2 auto-off time options, looks like, 3 air intensity options, heat function as mentioned, you know, but it's really, sounds really simple at least. You stick your feet in there, you set your mode, and you relax. But we're gonna pop it open, see what it comes with, and then we'll let you know what we think online, well, on the website. So, for accessories, you have a cable, so they conveniently just stuck that in the little foot compartment there. So you have an AC adapter to plug it into the wall, so it'll actually function. And you have some documentation here. You're invited to join the Renpho family little card here. That just tells you to go online, register your product, tell us if you're happy or unhappy, which you see a lot, especially with anything you can find on Amazon, because these people really want you to go on their store page and, you know, give them a good review, because that's their lifeblood. You have a very simple looking instruction manual right here. You just open it up and read about how it works. You have a little piece of plastic here protecting the display. And all of your options are right there. You have your time function, your knead intensity options, low, medium, and high. You have power. You have low, medium, and high for air intensity, and then heat, which I would highly recommend, unless you have extremely sensitive feet. But then, if you did, you probably wouldn't be using this. But it's a pretty hefty looking machine, although it's very light. I mean, there's no weight to it at all. Looks like we're gonna enjoy this a lot. I can guarantee you we're gonna test the living daylights out of this thing. But it's very simple. You know, you just plug it into the wall, set your mode, stick your feet in here, and you're ready to go. It does have a zipper right here. Let's see what's inside. It actually looks like, once you unzip it, there's a little Velcro at the tip. You just rip it, and the whole sock comes out. I don't want to do it just yet because I don't want it to fall apart. They haven't taken pictures and everything yet, but yeah, that's so that if you have stinky feet or anything like that, or if you're just like a normal person and you don't want to keep sticking your feet into anything over and over again without washing it, you can take this sock out, throw it in your washing machine, it looks like, and give it a nice fresh rejuvenation, and then zip it all back together. And that's it. You know, you stick your feet in here, again, you set your mode, and you relax. It seems to be really simple. It does involve sticking your entire foot into the machine, you know, so it's probably going to come up to your ankle to a decent level, and it does feel like there's a lot of stuff in here, so it's something to look forward to in testing this out. I know I'll be one of the people to you know, give it my thought, but it's simple, it's easy. Again, it's the Renpho. They're calling it the intelligent foot massager here on the instructions, but foot massager is what it says on the website and everywhere else on the box. So we'll see. There is an option that does come with a remote. They do have a remote available for this thing, so you don't have to reach down and hit buttons. For extra level of laziness or just luxury, you can just sit there and point a remote at it. For some reason, this one didn't come with it, so I guess we didn't need the remote for this test. But Renpho, go check them out. We'll have links in the description as well as the review on the website at plcnetwork.net. And if you like what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe. There's also comments down below for you to interact with. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.